critically evaluate the changing dimensions of the concept of state under Article 12. It looks very simple, and it is definitely a very simple question. What is the key word in this? Key word is the changing dimensions concept of state. Now immediately go back to your understanding of Article 12. It has 4 parts. Remember 4 parts? Parliament, central government, state legislature, state government, local authorities, and what is left is other authorities. And this is where I told you in the beginning itself, there is a lot of ambiguity. How changing dimensions? So your answer should be that the first 3 parts, which define the state under Article 12, are this, and there is hardly any ambiguity. The ambiguity comes in the other authorities. And how that dimensions are changing? Through judicial pronouncements. Ajay, Hasia, Khalid, Mujib, P.N. Bhagwati, test of other authorities, followed by other judgments. And that is also important. In the same judgment, it is written what? This is not the final test. The tests are evolving. And that is the changing dimension of concept of state.